What's going on, people? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. Today, I'm going to do something interesting. My room's a bit messy, so let's just stick with this view. So today's video is about a first impression of 3 brand new fragrances that I added to my collection. And just so you know, today's scent of the day for me was Bleu de Chanel. It's pretty hot in New York. 3 consecutive days of rainfall and the weather became pretty chilly. So finally, after Memorial Day, today is a bit warmer day. So I put on this particular fragrance and I thoroughly enjoyed it. Follow my Instagram if you want. So without much delay, let's get down to business. I got 3 brand new fragrances. The first one is Polo Red Extreme. The second one I got from the house of ZADIG and VOLTAIRE. And the name of the fragrance is This Is Him. Much hyped about. Let's find out what it is. And the third one is from the house of MANCERA. Yeah, of course, this is the bag, the beautiful golden, yeah? It's a golden bag, like a jewelry bag, you know. You could gift it to somebody, maybe your girlfriend or your mom or your aunt, whoever wants to keep their jewelry in. And let me just start off with this one. This one is known as MANCERA's Red Tobacco. I hear a lot of good things, so today we find out what it is. So let's get cracking, guys. Let's get opening. The first one I'm gonna open is Polo Red Extreme. And by the way, this is just a first impression video. I will be doing a full review of all these 3 fragrances, so make sure you do put a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon too. You don't want to miss these episodes. Right, guys, box is a matte finish box. Let's go ahead and look inside. Wow. Let me see if there's a fragrance leak or something. This is what the bottle looks like. Very nice, I would say. Let's go for the second one, the ZADIG and VOLTAIRE. This Is Him. Let's go open it. Wow, shit is dark. Guys, this is something. They say like for this particular fragrance, this particular house, ZADIG and VOLTAIRE, This Is Him, there's something called a This Is For Her. So, and from what the other influencers and other reviewers say, like there's another bottle that completely fits in this particular slot. As you can see, this looks like as if it's a broken piece of glass or something solid. So you know, like it's a good concept. Like if you have a girlfriend, your wife, or whoever you gift it to, your female friend, I mean, you could just put them together. It looks like a longer rectangle kind of thing. And yeah, this is the kind of bottle this is for him. And I like the bottle. This thing is pretty strong. I can just, even without spraying, I can feel it right away. And the last one I already showed you guys. This is MANCERA's Red Tobacco, and comes in a pouch like this. And since this is a tester bottle, the main box does not contain any information. Probably some, as you can see, there's some kind of batch code or something and saying that it's a tester bottle. So that's basically it. The bottle is red. It's not the juice, I believe, it's the bottle, which is red. And as you can see, it says Red Tobacco here, house name, and this is a screw-on cap. So guys, let's not delay, let's get cracking. The first one I'm gonna try out will be Polo Red Extreme. I'm really interested in this particular fragrance because this is supposed to be a bit gourmand kind of fragrance. And this thing's got coffee, chocolate, and probably some vanilla, woodsy notes. So all 3 fragrances, I'm not sure, like they can be used in the summertime. Definitely the ZADIG and VOLTAIRE, I can tell right away even without spraying, because this thing is potent, I can say. And all the reviewers have said like this thing is really potent. So I'm definitely not risking it using it summer. But this one, Polo Red Extreme, probably I will try it out in the summer days, not too hot ones, but I'll see, I'll give you a full review. But so I made myself 3 paper strips out of some, you know, thrown away envelopes. It's just paper that I need. So here goes, guys. So as you know, if it's a brand new bottle, this thing will not spray immediately. It's gonna take a couple of pumps before it actually sprays out. So let's go ahead and spray it. This is Ralph Lauren Polo Red Extreme. Let's see. Sprayer is nice. Sprays, I mean, a big one. Ooh. Definitely my kind of fragrance. Kind of reminds me, long time back, I really miss this fragrance. Every forum that I've been to on Facebook, I've really looked for it. It's the Givenchy, very irresistible, the triangular green bottle, the men version. That was one awesome gourmand fragrance, but they unfortunately discontinued it. This almost feels like that. Coffee is definitely there, chocolate definitely there, and there's a zestiness, probably grapefruit or bergamot, probably grapefruit. It's a bit rich. This thing is good. That was Polo Red Extreme. Awesome, I'm loving it already. The next one I'm gonna try, I'll give it some air. Yeah, because that's pretty strong. The ZADIG and Voltaire. This is him. And let's try out. There you go. Moment of truth. ZADIG and Voltaire. Woo. This thing is... This thing is dark. Definitely not a summertime fragrance. Fall to winter. Has a freshness, zesty kind of freshness. Feels like woody, earthy kind of patchouli vibe. This is beautiful. This is good. Kind of gives me that vibe like Bulgari Man, if you have tried it. But not too close. Almost. But this is good. Definitely something I do not own in my collection. So this is unique. Right off the bat, I can say this thing is unique. ZADIG and Voltaire, this is him. Last but not the least, one of the most potent one as per the society. Okay? And the Fragcom, they say this is the bomb. Let's see if it's the red bomb. MANCERA's Red Tobacco. Here it goes. Oh, a couple of days ago, I had a bad experience with MANCERA fragrance that said Rad Boise, and I purchased it from fragranceusa.com. I had to send it back because the performance absolutely sucked. I just hated it so much. The performance, fragrance wise, I really wanted to own that fragrance, but what to do? Thing didn't work out for me. The latest batches had problems, I guess. So a couple of people told me like a lot of things. So that one I shared in that particular video. There's a dedicated video. You can check it out later. But right now, let's talk about Red Tobacco from MANCERA. Let's see if this is the bomb. Here it goes. Woo. Wow. Woo. Oh man. Oh, this thing is strong. Has kind of like a... So there's a tobacco vibe. Feels like there's oud in there. I didn't check all the notes and I don't even recall it properly. I'm just, guessing at them, but because this is just a first impression for me. I can tell you this thing is strong. Even the paper, if you'll see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but see, it's shiny. So oil concentration is definitely high, Mancera's. Okay. So I really need to wait for the dry down, and let's see, because they say the frag says the dry down on red tobacco is the magical thing. That's what the magic is all about for this particular fragrance. But right off the bat, the top notes, yeah, love it. This is strong. Definitely I will be enjoying these two in fall and winter for sure. So guys, that was my first impression on those three fragrances: Polo Red Extreme, ZADIG and Voltaire. This is him, Mancera's Red Tobacco. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button on this particular video. Check out my other videos on this channel, other fragrance reviews, and don't forget to subscribe. And all three fragrances, I'm gonna test it out. I don't care if it's summer or winter. I'm gonna try out these fragrances and I'm gonna let you know my final verdict on these particular fragrances. You guys take care, all the best, and you guys rock. Take care, guys.